In this video, I'm going to show you how to change and get new characters or avatars in Roblox Mobile. Let's launch the Roblox app. At the center of the bottom menu, tap on the Avatar option. Now tap on the Characters tab. You can see many characters are available here, but you need to purchase most of the characters available here through Roblox coins. As I don't have any coins, I will look for the free characters. In the character menu, tap on this filter icon. In the filter menu, scroll down and look for Price Low to High. Now tap on Apply. Here you can see that all of the free characters are now at the top of the list. Select a character of your liking from here. Let's select this one, for example. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Free. In the pop-up menu, tap on Get. Again, at the bottom of the screen, tap on this icon. In the pop-up menu, tap on Customize. In the Customization menu, you can see two tabs here. One is the Creations tab, where you will be able to find all the characters you created personally. The other is the Purchase tab, where you will see the characters you purchased or taken freely. Go to the Purchase tab. This is the character we just selected. Tap on the character. In the pop-up menu, tap on Switch. Now, if I go back, you can see that my character has changed. Following these steps, you can change and get a new character in Roblox easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.